is Hannah Hayworth from Clover Residential, and today we are bringing you a very special top floor 2-bed plus den, 1-bath condo just off of Cook Street Village. It's difficult to put this feeling quite into words, but the moment you enter this unit, you get this unmatched sense of warmth and home. Proudly co-listed by myself and Oli Schmidt of the Folio Group, this unit is wonderfully presented with tasteful renovations and a thoughtful layout, and it perfectly balances character and sleek modern touches. You've got a custom 4-piece bathroom with a heated towel rack, quartz Caesar stone countertops, and bamboo soft close drawers. In the kitchen, we've got those same Caesar stone quartz countertops again, but we've also got custom cabinetry made out of Brazilian cherry and maple with under cabinet lighting. As a bonus, you've also got a prominent sense of community within this strata. We have sold multiple listings in this building and we hear nothing but great things. Many people desire to become a part of the lively Fairfield community because of all that it has to offer. Here's your chance to be steps away from amenities in the village, great schools, Beacon Hill Park, and Dallas waterfront. Plus, you're only a few minutes from downtown.